Hey guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, we're talking about how to bulk create social media posts using Canva and Google Sheets. So firstly, you need to prepare your content in Google Sheets. So just open it up and create a new spreadsheet. Label the top row, for example, row 1, with a clear column headers. Each column represents a dynamic element in your design. Then add your content line by line underneath the headers. Once finished, you go to File and download right here, and then choose comma separated values and save this to your PC as CSV. Now open up Canva and just select your desired social media dimension. So say you just want to create a mobile video, choose here, create blank. You can add the text boxes for the title, quote, and author. Add any images, frames, or shapes you want to remain consistent, and apply your brand kit. Then in the left side navigation panel, look for the apps icon here. Then search for bulk create right here. Choose this. As you can see, this is a pro feature. And then once you go here, you just click upload CSV, the one that we downloaded from here. And you will see a column header listed in the bulk create panel on the left. And then guys, once all the data fields are connected, you can just click the purple continue button, and then Canva will show a checklist of all the rows important from your spreadsheet. And Canva will then instantly create a brand new multi-page document containing all your generated posts. Enjoy guys, if this was helpful, make sure to subscribe.